Hello Heartland fans, how is everything going on? Welcome back to our channel, upcoming show. In recent episode, we saw Caleb being very active, either it may be managing the rodeo or it be giving emotional support to his friends. In our one of the latest videos, we talked about Caleb's wife Cassandra Faye. In today's video, we will be taking a sneak peek in the life of one of the most controversial character, Esley Stanton, portrayed by Cindy Bosby. Esley was once quite hated for being rival and a competitor of Amy, but she turned the tables and made a special place in fans' heart when she started her beautiful story with Caleb. Now let's talk about Cindy Bosby, who completely gave justice to the character of Ashley. Cindy Bosby is a French-Canadian actress who was born on 18th March 1983. She is well known for portraying Ashley in Heartland and Brooke Fenton in the pilot episode of another famous series, The Vampire Diaries. Born and raised in Montreal, Quebec, Bosby always dreamed of becoming an actress. From the time she was a child, she loved performing for an audience, and throughout her elementary school and high school years, she developed herself to every theatre school production. Upon graduating from high school, Bosby was accepted into the professional theatre program at Dawson College in Montreal and was admitted from among hundreds of applicants. Starting out in theatre in 2005, she crossed into television and film and was given her first lead in the story of the Canadian medical hero Norman Bethune in the television series Bethune, which timed in rural China for 2.5 months and attracted 7 million viewers. In 2006, Bosby played a supporting lead in the Lifetime original film A Life Interrupted opposite Lea Thompson, and also landed a series regular role on the series Heartland when she was cast as Ashley Stanton, a rich, self-righteous, competitive horseback rider. The series has been nominated for several Gemini Awards as well as winning a Directors Guild of Canada prize and becoming one of the most popular shows on Canadian television. She was seen in Heartland from 2004 to 2007. In 2008 and 2009, Bosby first landed the lead antagonist in the film Picture This, alongside Ashley Tisdale, Sean Grimes, and Kevin Pollak. And also she appeared in the CW series The Vampire Diaries. In 2011, she appeared on the big screen in Fox 2000 Pictures' The Big Year, in which she was seen opposite Steve Martin, Jack Black, and Owen Wilson. In 2012, Bosby filmed guest starring roles on the CW shows Supernatural, The LA Complex, and The Sacred Circle. She was also seen as a lead in the sci-fi movie of the week, Mega Cyclone, and more recently was seen in 12 Rounds True Reloaded as the wife of WWE wrestler Randy Orton, in The Wedding Chapel playing a young Shelley Long, and in Hallmark Channel's Lucky in Love opposite Jessica Zor. Bosby has been seen guest starring on USA's Ross, TNT's Proof, and Record on Hallmark Channel's Debbie Macomber's Cedar Cove. She starred in the independent films The Circle and 40 Below and Falling, and was cast as the lead in A Puppy for Christmas. She also appeared in Hallmark movies and Mysteries original Haley Dean Mystery Murder with Love. Her most recent role was a Caroline Wilson, the Netflix film Romance on the Menu opposite Australian actor Tim Ross. Talking about her personal life, she is a very good friend of Caleb, aka Kerry James. She also said she learned horse riding during her days in Heartland. According to her, the most difficult role she has portrayed till date is Ashley because her real life personality is completely different than that of Ashley. While Ashley is very mean and arrogant, in contrast, according to her co-stars, Bosby is very down to earth and humble. On December 23, 2020, Cindy Bosby married her long-term boyfriend, producer Chris Boyd. The couple have been dating for 4 years, and other than a few Instagram posts, they have kept a low profile. She currently lives in California her net worth is estimated to be $2 million. Okay guys, that's it for today. Please mention your Ashley movements in Heartland in the comment section below. If you like our content, like our videos, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for notification.